Before installation, remove the plastic protector from the blade rubber. With this arm type, it is necessary to remove the pre-attached adapter on the wiper blade and replace it as follows with adapter BC. Identify the release tabs on the pre-attached adapter. Using your index fingernails, pull both release tabs towards you. The pre-attached adapter will tilt towards you and disengage from the blade. Discard it. Locate adapter BC and position it so that the release tabs face up. Tilt adapter BC back into the cavity in the blade until it clicks in place. Both release tabs must lock onto the blade before proceeding to the next step. Hold the blade at a 90-degree angle to the end of the wiper arm and push it all the way onto the arm pin. Rotate the blade until the tab on the top of the arm straddles the top of the blade, locking it in place. The bent end of the arm tab must park in the long slot on the top edge of the blade. Before use, make sure the wiper blade and adapter are locked onto the wiper arm.